Good morning, fishy freaks. How you guys doing? And welcome back to another episode here at Let's Get On Fishing. Today, guys, we're gonna do some bass fishing for you guys. I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. You know, we're doing a lot of carp and catfishing lately, so we're doing a little switching up for you guys, and we're gonna hit the Calsag River, and we're gonna try to catch some bass. We came out here last week, right?
Yep.
Last weekend we did pretty well. We did pretty well, and we caught some good ones. Getting into a new type of fishing that usually I don't normally do. You know, we were using a fluke, weightless fluke. I don't normally throw a fluke unless I'm putting it on like as a trailer on my spinnerbaits. But hit those flukes, man, and they were cracking. That was awesome. That was fun. Throwing it in the shallows, it was fun. So we're gonna get out here today, guys, and we're gonna try to do some bass fishing out here for you guys today. See what we can do out here. I think they got a tournament rocking and rolling, so we gotta be careful of these other boaters out here and everything. So let's get our gear, pile up in the boat, and try to catch us some big old bass. As always, Fishing Freaks, you guys know what to do. Stay calm. Fish on. Yeet! Alrighty, freaks, we have made it out here. We're at our very first spot of the day. There's actually a tournament going on right now, and a couple of our guys are in there. Our boy Ryan, our boy Eric, Josh. Who else did we see?
I think that was it.
That was it, right? Just those three guys. A couple of our guys are out here. Wish them luck, my boys. I wish you guys luck out there. I'll try to save you guys a couple fish. But we're gonna get started right here along this point behind us and do some flipping, and then hopefully catch some fish. And as always, freaks, you guys know what to do. Stay calm, fish on. Yeah. All right, freaks. We're gonna start off with this little speed crawl right here. See what we can do with the speed crawl.
Oh, there you go. Swam up for it. First one. Little dink.
Hey guys, I'm going to start off with the trusty Ned rig. Did good on that last week. So we're going to throw it off kind of these points here and see if we can pick up on any fish. I got 3 rods with me today, so we have opportunities to switch up if we don't get anything. Leave it.
Got him.
There you go.
Nice.
On
the fluke.
Yeah, on the float.
Yeah, boy.
In the
Oh,
shallows.
that's a nice one.
In the shallows.
Nice.
On that float, guys. In the shallows.
want 'em?
That's a big ass drum. You and these damn drums.
Yeah. Shit, I'm about to pull that crawling.
Alright guys, we're inside the locks right now, and I just caught a little drum on a drop shot rig.
He stinks. I smell it. Doing it right.
Yeah, we're sitting, you can see the gate's actually about to open right now, guys. And I just had that drop shot. I just had that drop shot dangling off the side of the bow all the way to the bottom, and then I just felt them smack it. I gotta put the weight on here. Took my weight. Well, they're recording, guys, but I just caught another largemouth on that drop shot. Really slow. They want it really slow. All right, guys, we have made it through the locks. That was a bad cast. But as you can see, we got that fluke on. Cool. Working in the shallows over here with the grass. Got that wind pushing up. Some of these bass might be pushing up against the edges. Chasing bait fish or shad or whatever. But something's telling me they might be out deep. I think I casted it a little bit too hard right there. Tested my luck. Did I get one on the... Yep, I got one. I got one.
What the hell?
I got one. Oh, that's a good one.
That's,
I was just reeling it in. What the heck?
yeah.
On the
Is that
backlash?
a smallie?
No, it's a largemouth.
Oh, nice.
That's a decent one. What the heck just happened right there? I had a backlash, and then I was fixing it, and I was just reeling it in,
Are you
and
throwing it in there? Or no?
he cracked it. Let's go. On that fluke, guys, you see these, we figured something out over here with the shallows and this grass. Throwing this fluke is like perfect. And then if you get to that deeper water, if you're going like straight off a diagonal right here, use a spinner. Oh, it's so money. I mean, like, look at this. Look at, I don't know if you guys can see that, but you see how that just darts in the water? Oh. That was just a crazy eat though. What the heck just happened right there? All right, guys, we're gonna make a run right now. And the ducks are mad that we're leaving. Sorry guys, we gotta go. But yeah, we're gonna make a run down yonder and see if we can pick up on anything down over there. So it's gonna be a little bit of a run for us, but for you guys, it's gonna be like 2 seconds. Let's go. All right, guys. Switched up to this little call right here. It's gonna get windy, really windy out here. We're gonna see what we can do. We're gonna see if we can pick off a few. Huh. Got one.
Oh, damn.
Little guy. He was running with it. Okay. He wanted to crawl. Got one. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. I don't know what this is.
Behind you.
I don't know, I felt him pick it up. I felt him pick it up. Big drum. Jesus. What's up with these drum, man? Look at that drum. Another drum. Oh. Yeah, I felt him smack it, bro. He freaking smacked that drum. I was hoping it was gonna be something else. It's a good drum. I'll take a drum. Better than catching nothing, right? Alright. Nasty old drum bud. Stanky, nasty old drum bud. Did I cross you? I've got another one. Oh! We had one, a little guy. I felt him whack it just like the last one. Got me the old tangle right here. Alright, now the bites are starting to pick up. I think they're starting to want bottom baits more. This morning they were more on moving baits. You at least gotta get T on one.
12 seconds later.
Got him.
Oh yeah.
Finally.
Oh yeah.
There you go, T. What you got? Lights off?
Probably. I think, unless it's another drum. I think it's a drum. No, big largemouth. Decent largie.
Oh yeah.
That's decent. Yeah, let's get the net and little tanker. All right, finally on the board. All right. All right, guys, it's about time since I got on the board. Hey, chill. He hit that Texas rig. Look at that. Down his gullet. Look at that, guys. I apologize for the wind. This is my first fish of the day. Nice chunky, almost about two. Double? Ben with the double. Show him off.
Oh yeah, little fat boy.
Little fat boy double. So, we're gonna get these guys back. Oh, about time.
Ready to go home. Into the white. Oh, I got one. Oh yeah. Decent.
Drum. Drum, that has to be a drum.
I swear, if it's a catfish.
You sure that's a fish?
Yeah, that's a fish.
Oh, that's a fish. Okay. Let me see that. Gotta be a carp.
Damn line right there.
I know, I wasn't trying to.
It feels like a catfish though.
It might be a catfish.
Looks like running.
Catfish.
Yep, catfish.
We always catch catfish here. Did you get him on a drop shot?
Yeah. He hit it so hard. Oh,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, he's decent. Big old male right there. Look at that big old male. He decent.
Every cow tag trip, catfish.
We can tell.
Oh, nice. Little catfish. Little fat boy. He really does stink.
The big male.
Yeah. Look at his head. Hold him like a little flathead.
It will look like one too.
Alright, let's get it back. Yes, bye-bye. With the postman.
Let's try to get another one. Throttle. Proper.
Proper, Gene.
Proper.
Oh, he was
Oh.
as soon as I dropped it.
Bass? That's a bass. Yeah. Send down another one, guys. Another catfish?
I swear, that's another catfish.
That's a catfish.
Yeah, look how he's fighting. Look at you in a catfish.
Yeah, another catfish.
They're all on this freaking pocket right here.
Right, he's big.
Hey, the one that, hey, I got the drum.
Yeah, you got the drum, and you got the catfish. All right.
Another big catfish, guys.
What's going on? 2 for 2?
For real, 2 for 2.
2 for 2. All this slime.
Another big one. Decent one. He's about 4 or 5 pounds.
Bigger than the other one.
No, the other one was a little bigger.
Yeah.
I think the other one was a little bigger because the head feels like it's still smaller.
Yeah. Alright,
All right.
let's go.
Slime.
Got one. Is that a catfish?
I had one as well.
For the double? Another decent one. There we go, guys. Second fish for me. Switched up to that Strike King. What is this thing? I don't know, bird strike, something or other, but look at that. Nice little porker. Look, he's got a messed up little mouth right there. So we're going to get him back on that T-rig. And off he goes.
Oh, it's been kind of slow today, but we're picking up on some fish though. Multi-species day, as it is always when you come to the river. Not very big fish. Well, the drum and the catfish are decent, but bass, not that. Not great in size. Tease, yours was what? Almost, so a pound and a half? Got one. As we were just talking about it, guys. Decent little chunky largemouth, fat boy. Thank you. Alrighty, fishing freaks. As you can see, I'm back at the house. It was a fun one today. It was a fun one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a fun one. We got some fish. You know, we got a couple largemouth. We got a couple drum, and some catfish. And that seems to be a repetition. Every time we hit the cow sag, we end up catching some catfish and drum for some reason. I don't know what it is, but we always end up catching some catfish and drum on the crawls and on the drop shots. So it was a fun time out there. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was ridiculously windy though. It was so windy. Like, even though we had a great time out there, it was just so windy. That wind was towing us around, even with the trolling motor all the way on 10. It was just towing us around. But we made it work. We caught some fish. We had a great time. But I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you guys liked this video, go ahead, hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go hit that subscribe button as well. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. But we'll see you here on the next one, Fishing Freaks. And as always, you guys know what to do. Stay calm and fish on. Yeet!